So a little over a month ago, Clint on his second channel, LGR Blurbs, uploaded this video.
And then what is this?
So that's basically on Photoshop's neural filters where you can like adjust things and make smiles. So you just go up to the top and go filter and neural filters. Then you get this menu and go to the little chemistry thingy for beta features and then go smart portrait, and here you go. It actually says this filter processes image data in the cloud, so it actually is sending your photo off to Adobe and then their servers are doing all the work apparently. So the first one I'm going to do is happiness. I'm just going to click the checkbox and go up to 50. And this took about 11 seconds the first time, maybe just to upload the photo. And then after that, it takes about 2. And, yeah, it's interesting seeing the Mona Lisa with teeth. Turning up the facial age is interesting in the gaze and the hair thickness. You can play around with it, and it looks a little off, but you can actually change the placement of the mask. So you can move it over and try and align it on her head better. And so I'm just going to kind of play around with it, and this is the final result. Yeah. So let's do another one. This one is American Gothic. So I'm just going to play around with it and try and make them look happy. And it's a little creepy seeing a creepy smiling man with a pitchfork. That's pretty much it for this video, and thank you for watching.